I've been mentoring with Recording Connection for it's probably my 18th year now. And I thoroughly enjoy it because I love seeing students succeed. I love seeing students quit their day job and do this and make their money. I've done what I can do to help them grow and to help them get started. It's like, I don't know, it's like children. You know, you feel them coming up and they grow and they learn, and then you send them off into the world and they're able to feed themselves. It's awesome. You know, I don't know, it's just fun. It's fun. I meet a lot of people. Like I said earlier, I'm still in touch with my very first student from 18 years ago. Ellis is his name, if y'all want to look him up. He still calls me. He still uses my studio sometimes when he needs to record drums. So, and this is the relation. That's the thing, man. It's the relationships. It's setting up the relationships. You know, I mean, I have students that call me from 10 years ago. They call just to say hello. Some students they stop by the studio just to buy me lunch. I mean, I've got students that have learned here and then they've gone off into the other parts of the world. There's guys in Las Vegas, guys in Pennsylvania, there's guys in New York that I've taught that are being successful, and that for me is part of the reason I like to do this.